Sometimes people send voice messages on WhatsApp, and in some cases when they're speaking, you can't follow what they're saying. The speed is just too fast. If you're facing this problem, in this video we'll show you how to solve it. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact who sent the voice message. For example, I'm selecting this contact. And after that, here you can see some voice messages. For example, I'm playing this voice message. Here you can see it's so fast.
We clearly understand that because it will be so fast and you'll not be able to follow that.
This is because in WhatsApp you can adjust the speed of the voice message. Right now it's in 2x, that's why you can't follow it. So if you want to solve this problem, after playing the audio, here you can see the 2x option. Click on that. Sometimes it will be 1.5x, but anyway, you need to change it to 1x, which means normal speed. After that, when you play it, you'll be able to understand what others are saying.
How to solve this problem.
So, this way you can easily solve this problem. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.